coming out and doing perhaps very little for the city and for the people who live in that city. Mr. Kakkar, that leads me to the question that I want to ask you. You know, last time around, everybody had been saying that the BMC elections, come out and vote. We've seen celebrities coming out and asking people, exhorting people to come out and cast their ballot, but very low turnout. Isn't it then up to the Mumbaikar, up to the people who live in Mumbai to come out and cast their ballot to ensure that the change that they want actually comes into effect by coming out and casting their vote?
I definitely think that people should come out in large numbers and cast their vote. But there is a certain apathy coming in, creeping in, because people are so fed up. They really don't know what to do. It's 12 of one and a dozen of the other. And it's the same, lousy politicians that we are getting all the time. So I think people are just so upset. Look at Ward 227, for example. Last time round, there was only a 23% turnout to vote. Because people, they felt that, oh my God, what are we going to do even if we elect this guy or that guy, they're all the same. Now, if you look at a comparison, between Delhi and Mumbai, look at how much money is spent on Delhi. Now, we as Mumbaikar, do we need to fight for Mumbai as a separate state out of Maharashtra? Or do we need to kind of create a different kind of situation for the politicians? I mean, we are contributing so much, or do we need to stop paying taxes completely and say, like, we will use our taxes for the benefit of our own city and our own environment and what we do, rather than contributing to inclusive growth for the rest of the country? Now, we don't want to do that. We want to contribute to inclusive growth. We want to get good politicians, but for heaven's sake, get people who understand this city, who understand how to run a megapolis. The same problems keep creeping up year after year after year. After the rains, there are potholes. After the rain, the whole city, the Mithi River comes to a grinding halt. I mean, it overflows.
Sure, you've obviously got a lot of grouses. You've obviously got a lot of issues against the ruling combine. Let's just see which way Mumbai comes out and votes today morning. Perhaps they get to see the change that they want to see in the political leadership. Perhaps those leaders are actually listening to people like Mr. Ashwani Kakkar, as also Mr. S. Balakrishnan, who are absolutely livid about the kind of problems that the city has been facing for time and time again. Almost 16-year rule is what we have been talking about, the Shiv Sena BJP combine. Many thanks to Mr. Ashwani Kakkar for having joined us here on the show. Many thanks also to S. Balakrishnan, who was taking us through the details and deconstructing for us these crucial elections. Many thanks to our correspondents.